Hello everyone, what's up? We are here again on this channel and I'm here. I told you guys that we are going to be enjoying ourselves with a lot of content on this channel. So here today we are going to be learning just a little bit of hairstyle, and it is called gel waves. So enjoy while you watch on this channel. Hello people, once again you're welcome to my channel Triple S Media Concepts. This is a channel where you can learn a lot of things like hairstyles, like football, like it's just about fun, for the fun of it, and we are here to learn a lot, to educate ourselves and to bring a lot of things to the world. So right now I'm with my hairstylist and the CEO of TBS. So very quickly, she's gonna say just a little thing about gel waves. That is the hairstyle you just watch the video right now. So she's gonna, introduce herself and all. So you're welcome.
Hello viewers, hello everyone at home. This is TBS The Beauty World. We are here to talk about the style you just watched called gel waves. It is easy to maintain, easy to carry, you can carry it anywhere, party, it is casual, official, corporate, you can carry it anywhere and it is easy to maintain. It can last up to 2 months if you know how to maintain it.
So guys, that's a little bit about top notch. I mean, a little bit about inside of the hair, which is gel wave. So guys, if you want to get to know and get down about this hair and you want to know more, you can get to us, you can DM, you can message, you can get me through my email, and we link you up with the TBS beauty salon, and you are going to learn about a lot about this hair. It's a hair that you can carry easily, and it's actually natural. So if you are team natural, so here is the beautiful hair that you can go for. So thanks for watching, and God bless you. Like, subscribe, and comment. And that wraps it all, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I want you to like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to watch the full video or you want to ask any question about the hair, so just make sure you comment or send send an email to me directly, and I am going to reply to every one of your chats, every one of your comments. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.